Hey YouTube, coming on here trying to make a quick video. We just got something in the mail and we wanted to just make a video about it. So this is the box, Love Food. I never got this box, I always wanted to try it out. So we're going to try it out together, me and Daniel. So when you open up the box, you have this little paper. And it tells you like all the different things that comes in the box. And the box is like full like this. And right here it says every one box is one meal. You donate a meal, you make a difference. We love you. Your friends at lovewithfood.com. And they're on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest at Love with Food. So let's get started. Okay. The first one we're going to try, it says, "Hi, I'm skinny." So these are all natural, multi-grain, sea salt sticks, 100 calories. So we're going to try these. They smell like corn chips. Okay. That's how they look. That must mean you don't like them. Okay. So let's read about them. Okay. It says multi-grain sea salt skinny sticks from Hi, I'm Skinny. A grain-based snack that brings you a heart-healthy treat. Yeah. It doesn't taste too bad for me. You don't like them? I kind of like them. Okay. Next one will be the Mama's Magic Mix. It says banana split baby mama drama. Freeze dried bananas and strawberries, salted peanuts, caramel puffs, and chocolate covered graham crackers. Looks like it'll be good. You like the way it smells? I don't. I'm scared to try it. I guess those are the corn puffs, the caramel puffs. I'm not even going to try that. You like it? Mm-hmm. You do? Oh, that's good. That's a freeze-dried strawberry.
It's good.
I like that one. And then the last one is a freeze-dried banana.
I'll get you that.
I don't like banana.
I like it.
Well, the freeze-dried fruit is pretty good, but the puff, I'm not a fan. Let's see what they say about that one. It says this low-cal banana split mix is as naughty as it is nice. So, oops, sorry. I was trying to fix the. Okay. Next. Nut-free, whole grain, gluten-free, home-free mini chocolate chip cookies. I'm gonna open those. Get it in the frame. Bring it in. Okay. You didn't show it. That's what it looks like. Okay. You don't have to break it. Hard.
It's not good at all. I don't like it.
Well, this doesn't taste bad. It tastes like a chocolate chip cookie to me.
I don't like gluten.
Well, it's gluten free.
Still tastes
Okay.
I mean, it tastes better with gluten.
Okay, well, let's read about it. These cookies are so tasty that it's hard to believe they are free of gluten. Peanuts, tree nuts, eggs, and dairy. So yeah, those were the chocolate chip cookies from Home Free. Let's try this. This is an orange bar, gluten-free, multi-fruit, may contain pits, 100% fruit.
I'm gonna read about it.
Okay, he's gonna read about it. Go ahead.
This low cow orange bar is a great way to sneak fruit into your diet.
Well, we love fruit, so we don't have to sneak it. Right? Trying to open it. I'm gonna open it for mommy. Should have some scissors in here.
You don't know how to open it like a pro. Oh, there we go.
Alright, let me show the whole thing first. How it smells. Yeah, and freeze. Stop.
Smell it.
Show it. It looks like a pile of. You gonna taste it?
And we got us, not kind of a celebrity, but a person.
Not a celebrity at all.
Yeah. Ew!
That's my husband.
I did not want to try it.
You like it?
He likes everything. Get in the frame.
Is it good? He's like Mikey, so he'll eat anything.
It's like the inside of a Fig Newton.
Oh my goodness. Let me read about it.
Oh,
Oh, you are ready. Alright, we're gonna try.
Next is the orange blueberry.
No, organic.
Organic blueberry.
Berry.
Berry. Okay.
It's a granola bar from Ann's Homegrown. The perfect bar for everyone in the family. These 100% organic bars contain 8 grams of whole grain per serving.
What is a fig? Dried oranges, dried dates, dried figs, raisins. Inside of a Fig Newton, as I expected.
Nasty.
Take a small piece. Oh, I thought I could get that whole thing.
Oh, don't worry. Come on.
That's how it looks. It looks like a regular granola bar.
I like it.
I'm gonna pass that along. Next.
Wait. Give me this one next.
Okay, it's the same thing.
Next.
Alright, that is the Jerry's Squares Original Valencia Peanut Butter Center mixed with crunchy rice crisps covered in milk chocolate. And this one is mixed with sweet and salty pretzel bites covered with milk chocolate. I want this one. I want this pretzel one.
So, we're all going to try both of them.
Let me try this one first.
Try to open it. I got it.
Yeah, it's like opening up Okay, why is the chocolate sweaty?
I don't know. Maybe it's the oil.
Oh well.
How it tastes?
It's like a Reese's cup. It actually tastes like a whatchamacallit.
It tastes like Yeah, Reese's cup.
Listen. Peanut butter filling, but that's that crunchy, whatchamacallit kind of like taste.
That's got the pretzel. Sorry, this video is extra ghetto, okay? It says Presto Changeo, an original milk chocolate square from Jerry's Chocolate. These bite-sized treats are great when you need a little something sweet. They're okay.
Next is going to be the Blue
Diamond almonds, lightly salted. Oh, put it up there.
Okay. Alright. We're going to say it.
Well, we all know what almonds taste like. No, that's not it.
Oh, it's not it? Oh. Here I go. Back.
I can't open it.
Oh, okay.
Struggling with that. You can enjoy these almonds without worrying about breaking your resolve to cut down on salt. And almonds are really good for you too. And they include an Save $1 coupon. And they are extra hard to open, as you can see.
Well, it is something actually to worry about. Because when you got bad teeth, this is something definitely you don't want to eat. And I definitely have a bad tooth, but eating this guy don't stop me.
to me.
Give it to me.
Okay, so while he's doing that, we also got this hand drip coffee, Columbia. I don't want no
I
almond.
don't know if you can actually see the...
That's, of course, everybody knows what an almond looks like.
Everybody knows what an almond looks like, but everybody knows what these almonds look like.
So this is just coffee that you can brew.
Yeah.
And it says, what a better way to wake up than what a perfect cup of pour over coffee.
I guess I'll try that in the morning with some
And the
eggs.
last one, I want this one. And the last
We're
one,
going to share it.
no, we're not. We're not
Yes,
going
we
to share
are.
this one. They're all the same.
Honey.
They got this little chew. I'm going to open that to show you what it looks like. It looks like a Starburst.
It actually nicks the wrapper. Sometimes, say if you ever had wrapper, well, a piece of candy actually, I'm sorry. It looks like a little tofu.
No, I'm going
How's
to read
that
what it
tofu kind of
is.
color?
I did show it already.
Mommy, I'm
It's the same one. Wait. Okay, so it says it is the perfect mix of real fruit bits and sweetness makes these candies quite lovely indeed.
Well,
Did you eat yours already?
no, I don't.
Okay, take a
Well,
bite.
what I was trying to say is, if you had one of those pieces of candy,
Let me taste yours.
when the wrapper don't fully come off, do you throw the candy away or do you still eat the candy? Me personally, I still eat the candy. I spit the wrapper out as I'm chewing. So, I'm not.
Let Dad try it.
I just would like for y'all to see this. This is the piece that she gave me. It actually looked like my tooth came out. I'm trying to figure out what am I supposed to do with this. I mean, as soon as I put it in my mouth, it's going to evaporate. I'm going to take like 5% of the flavor of it. But
So yeah. That one was good. That was the best thing out of the whole box to me.
tastes like a Starburst. Hold on.
It was the best thing out of the box. So, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And this is the January Love with Food box.
Oh, wait a minute.
Each
Hold up.
box that you...
I know I missed
We
this.
already tried
Oh, did
that.
you? Okay.
Then every box that you buy... You are messing up my video right now, okay? Every box that you buy buys a meal for someone else. So, thank you for watching. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch you later. Peace.